Welcome to Gadget Science. Today I am your host Arnav. Most of us use Facebook regularly, and we all know that Facebook collects our data, sells it. In return, they let us use their website for free. But do you know how much data they are taking? Which kind of data they are taking? Some of you may know, but most of us have no idea what they are taking. In the past couple of years, Facebook servers have been hacked, faced data breaches so many times that they have become a joke in the name of data security. So I thought it's a good idea to let you know what data Facebook is collecting from you and how to stop them, how to secure your data. Couple of days earlier, a friend told me to check the details about Facebook's data collection because he has seen something shady. And I did check. Boy, I was shocked. Most of you don't know, Facebook introduced a setting called Off Facebook Activity in January 2020. Let's see what it is. I'm sure you have faced this situation that you have searched something on Flipkart, Amazon, or some shopping page. Now your Facebook page is filled with related ads. So you can understand that Facebook collects your data even outside of Facebook app or website. Now let's go to the Facebook settings in your Facebook app or web page. Now go to your Facebook information section. You will see something called Off Facebook Activity. Open it. You will see a row of apps from your phone. Tap or click on it. Now enter your password if needed and continue. Now you have a list of apps. Scroll down and see it's a pretty long list. Well, Facebook says they have collected only the activity data from all these apps which we use outside Facebook. But who knows what data they have taken? I can understand Facebook collect data from shopping apps, shopping websites, but Facebook collected activity data even from those apps which I use offline, like Pi Music Player for listening to offline music, AZ Screen Recorder for screen recording, even from Bengali Calendar app. Wow, that's a pretty big chunk of my activity data. And also note that they have collected activity data from Truecaller and even Paytm. This is so scary because I use Paytm for transactions, and Facebook claims that they were taking all these activity data for very long. Now they are just showing us in this off Facebook activity section what they have collected for transparency. And they also claims that they only can take data from those apps which apps intentionally share data with Facebook. And I think that's true because Google doesn't share data with Facebook and there is no Google apps in that off Facebook activity list. Now, if you want to stop sharing this activity data with Facebook, then turn off this off Facebook activity data collection and then clear history of these things. To do so, go to Manage Future Activity. Again, tap or click on the Manage Future Activity. Now turn off Future of Facebook Activity. Go back to previous page. Click on Clear History. Again, tap or click on Clear History. After all this, according to Facebook, they won't be able to track these activities. But I will suggest a few more things to increase the security of your data. When we install Facebook in our phones, we normally allow all the permissions. Let me show you what permissions they are. Calendar, camera, contacts, location, microphone, storage and telephone. These are too many permissions, and when you allow them blindly, Facebook have access to your calendar, camera, contacts, calls, location data, microphone, whatever you have stored in your phone, everything. Now you need to understand something. If you don't make Facebook live videos, then the camera and microphone permissions are not needed. You don't need to give contacts permission to see your Facebook friend list. Most of you don't use Facebook for business where you need to sync your calendar with Facebook, and normally we don't make calls from Facebook, so phone permission or telephone permission is also not needed. So I turned off all these permissions and only turned on the storage permission, because I upload images and videos on Facebook, so that permission is needed. Now you can also turn off all these permissions by just going into the app settings of Facebook and then going to the permission section. The location permission is your choice. I normally turn it off. Now if you are using Facebook from your PC, then I suggest you use a web browser instead of Windows app. And also, if you are using Firefox browser, then install this extension called Facebook Container, made by Mozilla Firefox team. This extension stops Facebook from tracking your other web activities. Sorry Chrome users, there is no working extension for you. At least I don't know. If you know any, please comment to help others. Well, that's all what I could figure out to secure my data, and I have shared those with you. Now it's your duty to share this video in all your social media accounts so that other people also can be aware of this and they can also take steps to secure their data. If you have learned something new from this, then please like the video, and if you have anything to say, I will definitely try to reply to them. And subscribe for more interesting tech videos and weekly tech news. And thanks for watching our video.